Yeah, so over the next 30 minutes or so, I'll give you an overview of our embedded vision processor that as of last week announcement is safety ready at an ASIL D level, which is the highest level of safety measured by ISO 26262. My name is Fergus Casey, R&D Director for Processor IP. I'm also the safety manager for the processor portfolio team within Synopsys. So within the car, there's a vast number of processors that live within the automobile. And I'm not going to go into all of the details of everything on this slide. I think a typical fully loaded SUV would probably have over 100 processors. Looking at some of the vision type applications that were specific to the embedded vision processor that I'm going to talk to you about today, we look at applications such as night vision, driver alert, monitoring, lane correction, navigation, parking system, lane departure warning, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control. All of these today are providing capabilities to assist the driver. But as we're rapidly seeing in the changing environment of the automotive industry, we're slowly moving from driver assist to autonomous capability. Autonomous capability basically means the driver is no longer in control of some of the decisions you're making, which means that the safety level of those electronic devices increases significantly.